Hello students, I am Dr. Arvind Jain. Today's is topic elasticity. So what is the elasticity? So first definition of elasticity. So there are three types of body: along to length, spherical body and rectangular body. Here force is applied along to length of the body. Here force is applied on the surface of the body. Here lower surface is fixed and tangential force is applied on opposite face. So the property of substance is the body tends to oppose the change in shape or size of the body. This property of substance is called the elasticity. Then next definition is stress. So when external force applied on the body, then in opposite direction, restoring force is opposite in the body. This restoring force is equal to the external force. So the value of restoring force, which is act on unit area of cross section of the body, is called the stress. Okay, so stress equal to force upon area, means F upon A. So according to this formula, the unit of the stress Newton per meter square. Unit of force is Newton and unit of area is meter square. So there are three types of stress. First is longitudinal stress. Second, normal stress. Third, tangential stress. Okay, so there are three types of stress. Third is tangential stress. So first, longitudinal stress. When external force is applied on the body along to length, okay, then restoring force produced in the body. So the value of restoring force, which is act on unit area of cross section of the body, is called longitudinal stress. Then second is normal stress. When external force is applied perpendicular to the surface, then volume of the body it changes. Okay, and restoring force is produced in the body. So the value of restoring force, which is act on unit area of cross section of body, is called the normal stress. Third is tangential stress. Here this is the rectangular body. Lower surface is fixed and on opposite surface tangential force is applied. Then restoring force is produced in opposite direction. So the value of restoring force, which is act on unit area of cross section of the body, is called the tangential stress. Okay, so there are three types of stress: longitudinal stress, normal stress and tangential stress. Then next definition is strain. Next definition is strain. Okay, so when force is applied along to length of the body, length increases of the body. When normally force applied on the surface of the body, then volume changes. Here lower surface is fixed, opposite force is applied tangential on opposite surface, then shape of the body it changes. So after applying the external force, the changes in shape or size of the body is called the strain. H called the strain. Okay, so the fractional change in the shape or size of the body is called the strain. So there are three types of strain. First is longitudinal strain. Second is volume strain. Third is shear strain. Okay, so strain are of three types: longitudinal strain, volume strain, and shear strain. So when force is applied on the body along to length, the strain produced in the body is called longitudinal strain. When force normally applied on the surface of the body, then strain is called volume strain. And then third is force is applied on the opposite surface of the body, the shape of the body changes. This strain is called the shear strain. Okay, so longitudinal strain is related to length, volume strain is related to volume, and shear strain is related to shape. Okay, then next definition is Hooke's law. Next definition is Hooke's law. Okay, so what is the Hooke's law? So according to Hooke, within the elastic limit, stress is proportional to strain. Stress is proportional to strain. Okay, within the elastic limit, or stress equal to E into strain. Here, this constant is called modulus of elasticity, or E equal to stress upon strain. Okay, and unit of modulus of elasticity is also Newton per meter square. So there are three types of modulus of elasticity. First is Young's modulus, represented by Y. Second is bulk modulus, represented by K. Third is modulus of rigidity, eta. So there are three types of elasticity. First is Young's modulus, Y. Second is bulk modulus, K. Third is modulus of rigidity, eta. Okay, students.